Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with a Julia hair, and this is the same packaging that I've received previous wigs from them in. So that's the wig, and then we got a wig cap, and I also got this drawstring bag. I've been getting this package a lot since with the clips and the scarf, and a pair of lashes. So yeah, this is today's wig. It's a gorgeous 24-inch straight lace front wig. It's a 13x4, and it has that standard cap construction, 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, pretty standard. And the lace was really nice. It was minimally pre-plucked, and it was nice in the hairline. It was so nice to the point that I didn't even do any swoops, and you see that further on down. So I went ahead, slipped on the wig, and proceeded to just apply my adhesive. Of course, before I did that, I did go ahead and cut off the excess portion with the ear portion there, because if it's too long, then it won't look right. So you have to cut that away so the wig will sit on your head comfortably. For today's install, I also used my Got To Be, and of course my dryer on cool air, and yeah. So as I was going ahead and cutting away the excess lace hair after I was done with putting on for the most part the adhesive, I realized how nice the hairline was. I loved the graduation. It wasn't overly done, but it was really nice. And the more I melted that, I decided that, I'm not gonna do no baby hairs today. And that's exactly what I did. So I went ahead and I did a center part, and I got my wax stick to just lay everything so it was really nice and flat. The front looks very melted. I was so confident with this hairline. It looks really natural. So shout out to Julia here for this. It's really nice. This wig does feel good quality, and I wasn't experiencing a lot of shedding at all. The hair, it has flyaways, but it's not a lot. you know, and the density is perfect. It's not like too heavy or, you know, yeah. So it was very manageable. It was very easy to style, and I really love the way it looked, really and truly. So obviously, I went ahead and got a little glammed, and look at that hairline. It looks so good. So pretty much right here, I'm just gonna proceed to flat ironing the hair and get it nice and bone straight, because I do love a nice bone straight wig. It just have this sleekness to it that just looks gorgeous, something about it. And I was really impressed with the length. Even though it's 24 inches, I do feel as if an inch more was there, or two. It really felt a little longer than what 24 inches usually feels like on me. So them give me brata, so I love that. Guys, I'm all done with the wig. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so easy to work with. It's 24 inches as I mentioned before, but it really feels like 26. It's really nice. You see that movement? Yeah, Julia here. Do you see how long? I mean, I am 5'1", but usually my 24 inches would be like around here. Yeah, so I definitely feel like, you know, there is extras on this wig, because looks good. Oh, and I did absolutely no baby hairs. I really was feeling the hairline on this wig, and so I really didn't want to do any swoops or anything. It does look good. It does look very realistic. So shout out to Julia here for bringing the quality. The hair, very minimal flyaways. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, and the movement is gorgeous. The luster, it's very nice. It's not overly shiny or anything. Minimal shedding. I'm not even getting none like that. I'm not getting any right now at all. So that's a good thing. Over time, you definitely know that the hair will shed though, but getting it straight out of the package, not getting any shedding right now, so that's good. The density, very manageable. You know, like sometimes you have the long wigs, or you want it to be full, you know, and it is full. Don't get me, it's not thin, but it's not heavy. You know, so it's really nice for the length and all of that, and for how full it looks and something. And it's kind of layered, as you can see. Came that way. I didn't cut it at all. So that is really nice. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. If you're interested in getting this wig, the direct link will also be there, so you can go ahead and check out Julia Hair for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. December is right around the corner, and I just want to remind you that you head on over to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, to go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification bells, because your girl is doing Vlogmas once again. Yeah, so you want to go ahead and check that out. I'm so excited even talking about it. If you know me, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that, well, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with Christmas time, and that's just that. Super grateful for everybody that has stick around, subscribed, kept on, you know, just keeping up and genuinely support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.